how you whistle down the hall. Tiny feet and bright gray feathers, such a little life so tall. You would sing your morning greetings, turn the quiet into gold. You were small upon my finger, but you made my heart feel bold. Fly on, buddy, little feather, through a sky so soft and wide. You were more than just a pet bird, you were always by my side. I will hear you in the silence when the day is almost through. Little buddy, little heartbeat, part of me still flies with you. You would chase your stubborn broody, and she always played hard to get. You'd sing love songs, dance and flutter, never once gave up. And yet, when she turned her face towards someone who was not the one you chose, you defended her with dive-bomb courage, tiny storm of wings and toes. Fly on, buddy, little feather, through a sky so soft and wide. You were more than just a pet bird, you were always by my side. I will hear you in the silence when the day is almost through. Little buddy, little heartbeat, part of me still flies with you. Cranberry seed cake on your beak, crumbs like jewels upon your tray. You would eat and then start singing, turn an ordinary day into something bright and sacred, just by being where you were, just by leaning into my hand, just by being you, my bird. On your last night you were trying to explain you couldn't stay, climbing to your favorite perch, then drifting gently back away. So I set your cage beside me, right there by my sleeping head. You were home and you were sheltered, you were loved and you were fed. I keep wishing I had held you through the darkness, through the fear, but you left this world with your person, breathing softly, lying near. Love is clumsy, love is human, we don't always see what's true, but you spent your life surrounded by the ones who cherished you. Fly on, buddy, little feather, through a sky so soft and wide. You were more than just a pet bird, you were always by my side. I will hear you in the silence when the day is almost through. Little buddy, little heartbeat, part of me still flies with you. If I hear a distant whistle in a soft and gentle tone, I will whisper, hi, my buddy, you are never truly